Hey everybody, it is SuperGirl KY here with a Cricut creation, and if you're like me, you have a New Year's resolution. Now, there are some on Amazon that, if you ask me, are a little overpriced. This will be your Amazon hack for the year. So, I currently have one of these water bottles, and I took the time, measured every single detail, and got it as close as I possibly could, and this was the end result. Now, it took me quite a while to come up with this design, but I got it there. So, I personally, for this water bottle that I'm going to be making, I am not going to be using the ounces and the milliliter sticker vinyl, but I am going to be using the hour by hour tracking. Feel free to use both, one or the other, it's up to you. So I laid out everything and I let it get to cutting. I went ahead and de-weeded the vinyl, and for those wondering, I used the Pogo water bottle from Target. I will add a link to this product in the description below. I went ahead and put on my transfer tape, and you're gonna want to use an alcohol wipe to make sure the water bottle is completely cleaned off and ready for the vinyl. Once that's all done, we're going to go ahead and try our best at lining this up, which is partially why I had the large square cut out, because that way I could line up the bottom portion of that square cutout and make sure it was flat up against the water bottle. Now, this project is perfect if you want to only spend about $11 instead of spending over $30 on Amazon. I will include a link to this design in the description below, as well as the link to the water bottle. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. As always, it has been a pleasure making this video for you guys, and have a super day.